guys, and welcome back to my channel. So my hair is in a messy bun today, and you know what that means. It's gonna be a productive day, and I figured why not, just share it with you guys, and maybe it will inspire you to get productive as well. I know I can always use inspiration and motivation to get productive because low-key it is hard. It really is. It's a constant struggle for me, I know. So yeah, anyways, I am just drinking this Starbucks double shot, you guys. Coffee does not work for me that well, but this stuff is bomb. Plus, it's not even that bad for you. It only has 210 calories, and yes, it's got a little bit of sugar in it, but, I don't drink sugar on the regular. I know people drink soda and things like that. I cut out sweet tea, so I don't drink sweet tea. I almost said I don't be drinking sweet tea, girl, because I'm from the South. I got too excited about that. I don't drink sweet tea anymore. I just drink unsweetened with some sort of sweetener in it, natural sweetener like stevia. Sometimes I'm bad and I use Sweet and Low, but it's better in my mind. I'm like, yeah, I'll risk cancer for a couple pounds or for being able to have my double shot in the morning. But yeah, I know it's bad, but sometimes that's all I have on hand, and yes, I will use Sweet and Low. But anyways, so I've got a couple things going on today in no particular order, but I have to finish editing and upload my video, which is how to get a better sleep or how to fall asleep faster. That has already been up, so if you guys haven't seen it, I'll put it in the cards. You should definitely go check it out. I'm super excited about it. But yeah, I gotta finish editing and upload that today. I also need to clean my whole house. My kitchen needs to be cleaned. So I am also cooking dinner tonight. I'm making chicken with acorn squash and broccoli and cheese rice, and I know you're not supposed to do a whole bunch of yellows or whatever, yellow food. That's what my cooking teacher taught me. But honestly, you just can't help it. Sometimes you're like, this is what I want. This is what I'm craving. I don't care if it's yellow, blue, pink, orange, green. This is what I want. I want some chicken, girl. No, just kidding. But, I don't know. I don't particularly mind because I'm like, you know what? My family will eat it anyways. Everybody loves it. Doesn't really matter what color it is. So, yeah. But I'm excited for that because I love my slow roasted chicken. I literally put it on for 4 hours. I'll get into the recipe with that, about that with you guys in a second. But, yeah, like I said, I got to clean and things like that. So, that's pretty much it. But, just staying busy. Another thing that we got to do is we just got our entertainment center from Wayfair, and we have to set everything up in our room, so that's gonna be fun. I'm really excited, and I need to clean up around that area as well. My room is a mess right now. I'm not even gonna show you guys, but first, I'm going to go ahead and clean the kitchen and put away some food. I got Corey to cut open my acorn squash because it is so hard to cut that open. So, I'm going to go clean my kitchen and yeah, cue the montage.
Up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hope we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hope we'll meet again. Oh, shaboom, 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 shaboom.
Mission accomplished, and it feels so good. So I was just sitting here editing my video, and I was thinking that after I start dinner, which is my chicken, I think I'm going to start that at around 12:30, or I think I'm going to start, I'm not sure if I'm going to start prepping at 12:30 or start it at 12:30, either way. But I was thinking about after that, I was gonna grab something. There's this local Mexican restaurant that's literally right down the street, and I walk to it, and I love their food. Oh my goodness, it's so good, and I haven't eaten there in so long. So I was thinking about getting just like a pickup order, and yeah, I'm excited. I literally haven't had that place in so long, and I was thinking about stopping at Kroger because I had to get a couple things anyways, so I figure why not. But yeah, I'm excited. So yeah, I'm gonna finish editing my video. By the way, I freaking love this hoodie. It is so cute. I got this from the thrift store. I've worn this shirt in like the last 2 videos, and I'm not ashamed. This sweater, sorry, hoodie. It's a cropped hoodie, which I don't mind because I just wear like a white undershirt underneath, and just like this on top, and it's so soft, it's so flowy and comfy, and I love it so much. So yeah, and then I'm just wearing some shorts. I'm just wearing kind of like a simple outfit today because I knew I was gonna be like running around doing stuff, but yeah. So anyways, I've got my shoes on just in case because I knew I was maybe gonna be going somewhere. I knew I was thinking about going to Kroger, but I wasn't 100% sure, so I still got my shoes on. But I'm gonna finish editing my video and get it ready to upload, and then I will start working on my chicken, and then I will go and get me something to eat. So I'll hit you up then. Okay, so my video is processing right now, and as soon as that's done, I'm gonna upload it to YouTube. And now I am gonna go ahead and get dinner started. I will link the recipe that I use down below. I've been using this recipe for so long, and this is so good, you guys. I highly recommend you try it. It is slow roasted chicken, and it's amazing. I let it slow roast for 4 hours on 260 degrees, and man, you guys, it's delicious, out of this world. It's so good. I put a lemon inside of the chicken, and I put seasonings on it and olive oil, and it's so good. So I'm gonna get that started, and then I am ready for lunch. I just got done eating. I am so full. I changed into a new sweater, by the way, just because since my other one got dirty, I want to make sure that I clean it and things like that. I don't want it to get dirty. This is another thrift store find, by the way. I think it was like $1.50. But yeah, I love this hoodie. It's from Old Navy. It's so cute. But yeah, they give me so much at that Mexican food place. Oh my gosh, you guys. I asked for a small queso. They filled it up all the way to like here, and I didn't touch the surface, let me tell you, and I love queso. Alright guys, so I just got done taking the chicken out because it needs to go out for just a little bit so I can cook the acorn squash. Once I get done with that, I'm going to put it back in to crisp it up. But I just got done prepping the acorn squash, and it looks so freaking just beautiful. I love it. I love acorn squash, and I love making it nice and sweet, and that's exactly what I did. I put brown sugar, a little bit of butter, a little bit of maple syrup, and some cinnamon, and it smells and tastes delicious. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna let those things cook, and then I am going to cook the rice here in a little while, after the butternut squash is almost done, because that takes about an hour, and then I am going to have dinner. I'm going to finish cleaning up the room right now and share my video, because I did end up deciding to just upload my video since I had a little bit of time. Oh, and that's my oven beeping. So sorry guys, today has been such a freaking busy day. It's just been crazy. Alright guys, so it is the end of the night, and I am just winding down. You guys, dinner was so good. The chicken turned out delicious, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. I put a lemon in the middle of the chicken before cooking it, or while cooking it, and then we also had some rice on the side. It was broccoli and cheese rice, but I did something a little bit different because honestly, you guys, like, if I'm not eating healthy, I'm like, all right, whatever. I don't mind. I don't mind just going a little bit all out. And sometimes I don't mind eating not healthy, you know? Like, you can't eat healthy all the time. Everything in moderation, right? But it was so good. But the rice, I added a little bit of queso because I wanted the flavors to be a little bit more bold, I guess, instead of like the regular like box rice-a-roni flavors. And I was like, you know what, let me add some queso, and it turned out so good and cheesy and delicious. You guys, it was the bomb, let me just say. But anyways, right now I am having some hot tea and some popcorn. So y'all know it's the end of the night when I got my diffuser going with some lavender. But yeah, I'm just having some popcorn and some hot tea for like a little snack. This is the Boom Chicka Pop popcorn, and it's the kettle corn. It is so good. I highly recommend, but it doesn't have a whole bunch of junk in it, so you don't feel horrible about having it. The calories and the macros are really good. And then I'm just having some, and this is a Christmas mug, but honestly, you guys, like, it is what it is. So, but this is some chamomile tea, and ooh, it is so good. Perfect for the end of the night. And then I also have a water. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm in my pajamas, Dash is in her pajamas. My light's going crazy over there. I keep hitting the remote. It is so sensitive. Every time I touch it just a little bit. But Dash is in her pajamas. She's under the covers. I don't always put her in pajamas, but right now she's going through a phase where she's having a lot of like allergic reactions with her skin, and I don't need her to like over scratch or anything like that, so she has to wear something at night. I'll show you guys what she looks like. She's so cute. Come here, Dashie. Look at her little butt. Dashie, show the people what you look like. She's like, I'm ashamed. I need to take her collar off. Here, let me take your collar off, honey. Dashie, you don't want to say hi? She's like, of course not, Mom. I'm in pajamas. Come here. Hi. Hi. What are you doing? You gonna say hi? You want to say hi to everybody? She's tired, y'all. Like, around like 9 o'clock, she's dead to the world. You ready to go night-night? I'm sorry, honey. She's so cute, though. That's what her pajamas look like. I got these from Amazon. I'll try to find the link if you guys want them. They're a little bit big, but honestly, they work. Like I said, I like to keep them on her at night because she'll start scratching, and I like to monitor her and make sure she's not, you know, getting like nasties on her or anything like that. So that's why she got her pajamas on, and they're nice and light and airy. Because one thing about, you know, dogs, putting clothes on dogs, you gotta watch out because they'll get overheated, and it's nice and cool in here. So I'm sure she's nice and cozy and comfy under the covers. And she's like, Mom, put them back. So one thing I wanted to show you guys was that we finally got our entertainment center, and it is so small. Do you guys see this fan? That is the size of our entertainment center. It is so tiny, which is perfect for our room because we need the space. Right there, I want to put a big, like, pretty macrame up there. I have so many plans for this room, and I'm really excited. I'm going to do a whole, like, video about it. So stay tuned for that. Everything's coming slowly, but it's coming. But it is so tiny. Luckily for us, though, as soon as we get a frame for our bed, we are going to be getting leg extensions for this to like make it come up a little bit. And we should be getting our bed frame in the next few months with our headboard. I have one picked out on Amazon that I'm so excited about, and I should be getting that within the next few months. But another thing we need is a dresser that I'm going to put right here. I want it to be gray, which I was hoping this would be gray. It was advertised as gray, but it's not. It's not gray at all. So, but yeah, a dresser is going to go right there. I have so many visions for this room, you guys, and I'm so excited to share them with you. I want to get a pretty macrame and put it up there. Move that picture to over to Corey's side because he's had that thing forever, and I don't like it there because I think it's tacky. It's just one little picture with all this space, and so we need something bigger. So I think a pretty white macrame that I found on Amazon would go great right there. And yeah, I'm excited for our room. like design and makeover, and I'll show you guys like every step along the way, and I'll probably make a big video, but still need to organize this. This isn't gonna look like that forever, but that's just what we got so far. So anyways, you guys, that is all I got for this video. Thank you so much for coming along with me today on this productive journey that me and you had. It was a crazy day, so busy, but so worth it. I got everything done that I wanted to get done, that I needed to get done, and I'm so blessed that I was able to do all that, because you guys, being real, and I think I'm going to talk about, you know, like a total health update pretty soon, because there's some stuff I need to tell you, but not every day I have this much energy, and not every day I'm able to accomplish half of what I did today. And so on the days like this, my hair is insane, but on the days like this, I feel really blessed because I feel accomplished and like I was able to get things done, and my health didn't get in the way, because I don't like my health getting in the way. I don't like it even being like a fraction of my personality, because it's not who I am. It's just something I deal with. So yeah, but anyways, I'll talk more about that in a future video. But yeah, I'm just happy that I got everything done. Super productive, so happy, so worth it. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button so we could be friends, we could talk, we can chat on Twitter, Instagram, and all that stuff. Follow each other. Yeah, follow me, subscribe, and let's go on this journey together. Stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.